because at the end of the day, we mustn't all, practice geology. So for those of you who are in that group, one thing to do is to think deep, think about current realities, survey the markets. Now I'm switching presentation mode from what we know for geologists to people who are unlikely to practice, geology. Okay, so that just So for this group of people who are more interested in doing something else, think of the market, think of current demand versus supply. Ask yourself, okay, I have a first degree in geology. It doesn't look like there's a lot of job opportunity out there. Now the question you should be asking yourself is, for one moment, imagine that you are not someone who studied geology. You are just a human being that has a brain that is working. Hopefully we all have brains that are working, and you have something to offer the society. So what that means is that you have to think about what is in current demands today. That's number one question. The number two question will be, how much of supply do we have for that item or for that services? So think demand versus supply. This very line takes away the mindset of, I'm a geologist, I have to use my geology degree to work. No. At this scale, you're thinking of, I'm a problem solver. I want to, I'm a solution provider. What is out there that is a puzzle? What can I do to fix it? When you start thinking like this, then you're creating another platform for yourself. You're creating another opportunity for yourself that the geoscience world may not have offered you or may not offer you. Okay? So one other, like when I chat to people, what I tell them is that you should focus on what is that item, that element that comes easy for you, because that's what you can control. What is that thing that by default, by nature, it's a plus. You don't struggle to bring it out. There are people who selling an idea is their strength. For some, they are into interior decor. For some, they are into fashion. For some, they like teaching. For some, they know how to make a presentations. They're just there. Some people are very good at sketching and arts, and some are just good at planning things, events, packaging of items. Packaging is one big industry that it's just mind-blowing if you can imagine what people do with packaging of the same thing that you see. Someone else can repackage it and sell it at a much higher price just because he or she knows how to do that. It's a big business. It's an industry on its own. Estate management. There are some people who are just good at these things, facility building, facility management, and all those stuff. Now, guess what? All these you see, you don't require you to show a certificate from geoscience or a master's or a PhD from any geology discipline. It is something that comes natural for some of us. Dig into yourself and ask yourself, what is that thing that comes easy for me? So the next slide here, of course, some other examples. Online tutorials. There are some guys who, even in this period of COVID, they are able to just figure out what people are asking to get, what people need, what people are lacking. And they're going in, creating online sessions, teaching people, doing things. E-marketing is happening. Photography. Some people are tech savvy. In this day and age where, because of limited physical contact, at least for now, guess what? The guys who are tech savvy are the guys who are calling the shots. The guys who are calling the shots. We're having an online meeting, and I'm here in Lagos. You guys are there in different locations, outside Nigeria, wherever you are, and we're having this chat. So it just tells you that there's a lot that can happen. Logistics. I mean, most people prefer not to go out today to go buy something. They prefer to just get online, make their purchase, and get it delivered to them. So logistics is a big business now. So what this is saying is that in the current climate, in the current environment, what is it that you can control that doesn't require your degree, that doesn't require someone to ask you whether you have a 5-year or 10-year work experience before they hire you? Okay, and what is that thing that comes easy for you? That is what you should dig in and find a way to bring it out of you. What is that thing that you see that people, the society of today is asking, they are looking for solutions, and you have it by default, and you can provide it. Find a way to make that thing, that element in you, the reason why you are able to own your own business, your own company, and you don't have to wait for someone else to hire you. That is for those who don't want to practice geology or who are unable to get a job placement.